Here we will discuss distance formula for points in the plane. From where this distance formula arises, we will take a right angle triangle to clear the concept of this distance formula. We know that in Pythagoras theorem, this is our C and here lies our B and it is our A. And in previous section we already know that it is our delta x, that is x2 minus x1, and in the y direction from this point to this point is our delta y, that is y2 minus y1. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we came across a formula of distance between 2 points. You can similarly put the delta x in the value of A and delta y in the value of B, and you will get distance is equal to under root delta x square plus delta y square. I will clear the concept by using an example. I'm erasing to use the space over here. Suppose it is our Cartesian coordinate and here lies our point, that is our 2 and 3, and supposing the points, and the second point lies over here, that is 1 and minus 3. I'm just imagining the points in the Cartesian coordinate, and we need to find out the distance between these 2 points. What we will do, we will similarly put the values of x2 and x1 and y2 and y1 in the distance formula like this. This is our x2 and y2, and this is our x1 and y1. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. It will become as minus 1 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 6, and after squaring the both delta x and delta y values, we will get the distance. Let me change the color. I really like to change the colors to make it colorful. (36) and under root 37 will be our distance between these 2 points. I'm raising this whole and simply write the answer over there. To solve the next property in the next usage of distance formula, that is distance from a region to a point. For that I need to raise it to it is the distance from region to a point. Here lies our origin and here lies our that point. Suppose it is as A. Similarly take the points as P and Q. And origin will have points as 0 and 0 as both x coordinate and y coordinate. Similarly, by using the same formation of distance formula, I am taking this as x2 and y2, and this will be our x1 and y1. P minus 0 all raised to power square plus q minus 0. So the distance between both points will be under root p square plus q square. So in the next we are going to plot distance from points to center of circle. You can say that it must be a circle, the points from to center. This distance will make radius. I am erasing this point again to plot the third one, that is distance from points to center of a circle. Suppose it is our center and this is our point to that center. Suppose it is our 2 and as x coordinate and y coordinate will also be 2, and the 4 and 4 order pair is the other point. So by using the same distance formula you can find out this distance, that you can also say as radius of circle whose center is 2, or appear as 2 and 2. So what is the unit circle? Unit, as the name shows, that it must contain something, it must relate something with one unity. So I will simply plot the graph of a unit circle. Unit circle has center as origin and its radius is 1. So the distance between center to this point, that you may say as P, must be equal to 1, then you may say it as unit circle. So in this form, we can make use of distance formula in 4 ways.